Did you know, aside the great benefits of drinking green tea to our body, green tea can also be used in our hair to boost our hair growth? In today's recipe, I'm going to show you an amazing hair growth treatment using green tea with other natural ingredients that can boost your hair growth like never before. When chemicals damaged my hair and I had to do the big chop, recipes like these have helped me grow my hair much faster, thicker, and fuller. If you really want to know how I do this, make sure you are watching this video to the end and do not skip any part of it because it's going to be packed with a lot of information. Hello beautiful people, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So before we start with this recipe, we need some hot water, so I'm going to boil some water. And one of my main ingredients is the moringa tea leaf. And if you look at this tea leaf, it also has spearmint as well as sage. You do not have to buy the same brand, you can buy any tea which has moringa in it. And I'm going to tell you so many benefits of moringa to our natural hair growth. But before doing all that, you know how we do it here? But if you are new here and you do not know how we do it here, we give videos thumbs up before even starting to watch it, just to show some love. So show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell. So each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you'll be notified. And when you click on the bell, do not forget to select all so you do not miss any of my videos. Alright, let's go back to the recipe. Moringa contains vitamin A, vitamin B, as well as omega-3 fatty acids. And these nutrients are great for our natural hair because they can boost your hair growth like never before. My next ingredient is my green tea. Green tea is also great for natural hair due to its many benefits. Green tea has antioxidant properties that can help treat your scalp of dandruff, dry itchy scalp, and any other scalp issues. It can also even be used to prevent balding or alopecia. Green tea can help prevent hair loss. It can also moisturize your hair and prevent it from breaking. Green tea can improve blood circulation to your scalp, which will also provide nutrients that your scalp needs to grow new healthy hair. This in return will help you grow much healthier, thicker, and beautiful hair. So if you haven't been incorporating green tea into your hair care regimen, you should be doing that now. My next ingredient is the rosemary herbs. I'm using the dry rosemary today. You all know rosemary has great benefits for natural hair. Let me tell you a few of its benefits. Rosemary has antibacterial qualities which helps it to cleanse your scalp. This will help prevent scalp issues like dandruff, dry itchy scalp, or any scalp issue that you have. When this clears your scalp, it will give way for new hair to also grow. It also improves blood circulation to the scalp, which in return will also boost hair growth. My next ingredient for today's recipe is cloves. Cloves has antioxidant properties and it can also help prevent dandruff, dry itchy scalp, or any scalp issues that you are having. Cloves can prevent premature growing of your hair. It can prevent hair loss if your hair is breaking, if you are balding, split ends, your hair is falling off. Just try some cloves water and it's going to help you recover your hair. So you see, the ingredients that I put together have all similar properties that are good for natural hair. They will all treat your scalp, prevent hair breakages, and that is why when you use this recipe, your hair is going to grow like never before. And you do not even need much of these cloves. They are really potent, so just a few cloves will go a long way. After having everything together in a mason jar like so, I'm going to add my hot water. And look at how this is looking. I'm going to give it a good stir and I'm going to cover it and leave it for about 45 minutes. So it's been about 45 minutes. My water is all cooled down and it's ready to be strained. And if you're still watching me to this point and you haven't given this video a thumbs up, it means you're not showing me some love. Show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs like these to help you grow your hair, you will be notified. And also when you click on the bell, do not forget to select all. That way YouTube will always notify you when I upload any new video. Alright, so this is what I'm having now. Look at how yummy the beautiful color. My next ingredient is the aloe vera leaf. Aloe vera has so many great benefits for our natural hair. If you are growing natural hair and you haven't been incorporating aloe vera into your hair care regimen, then it means you're missing out in something good. Aloe vera can help moisturize your hair, prevent dandruff if you have any scalp issues, aloe vera can help you solve that issues. It also has a lot of slip, which makes detangling your hair much easier. And you know, when you are able to detangle your hair with ease, it is going to help prevent hair breakages. And as you all know, hair breakages leads to a whole lot of things like balding, thinning, split ends, and so many more. So any natural ingredient that will make detangling your hair much easier is something that you should be looking at. And that is what aloe vera does. So I'm going to just have my aloe vera like so. I'm going to take the juice out and I'm going to blend it, strain it, and this is what we have. I'm going to mix my aloe vera gel with my tea or my mixture. After putting the two together, I'm going to use a spoon to make sure the two are really mixed in. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to add your favorite shampoo. It doesn't have to be this, it can be any shampoo that you use. But this is one of my favorite shampoos and I'm going to add it to my recipe. So this is going to be a shampoo for your hair. What this does is it is going to maximize the benefits of any shampoo that you use. You all know our shampoos from the store. We don't even know what they put together, but we know it's going to cleanse our scalp. But if you add this recipe to your shampoo, it is not only going to cleanse your scalp, but it's also going to give way for new healthy hair to grow because of the benefits of the ingredients that we put together. Again, with the aloe vera added to this recipe, it is going to make any shampoo just run smoothly into your hair, prevent it from tangling, make it really smooth, and this is also going to add some shine to your hair. In return, it's going to prevent hair breakages and help you return some length. Okay, so if you have a recipe like so and you want to store it, you can store it in your refrigerator. So what you need is an ice cube container like so. And you're going to pour some of this yummy shampoo into your ice cube container. After that, you're going to put it in your deep freezer. You're going to allow it to freeze, and once it's frozen, you can keep it as long as you want. Whenever you are ready, you just need to take the cubes out and just use it. And let me tell you something, guys. When this is used on your head with the cubes, it is so soothing to the scalp. You need to give it a try. I cannot even explain it with words. Really soothing. But if you don't want to use the cubes on your scalp, you can just allow it to melt and you can easily apply it again onto your hair. Let me show you what I mean in a minute. I'm going to take one of these ice cubes and I'm going to rub it on my hand and you're going to see how smooth this is going to run on my hand. All right, so I just used one and I just massage it on my hand and just look at the slip. Just look at the slip. I can't even explain it. It is just too much. This recipe is a must try. All right, let me show you how I use it on my hair. So before using it, just like any other shampoo, you just wet your hair and you just put it in and make sure you are massaging this into your hair. Remember, this is not just a shampoo. It has other great natural ingredients. When massaged into your scalp, it's going to cleanse your scalp and give way to new hair growth. You all know new hair always grows from the scalp. So any treatment that is going to clear your scalp and give way for new hair to grow is something you need to take seriously. So try this recipe and add it to any shampoo to maximize the shampoo's benefit. Whenever you apply this treatment, make sure you are massaging your hair. Just the massaging of your scalp can also improve blood circulation. It's just like exercising your scalp. You know what I mean? So just rub your hands in it and look how smooth it is. Just look at it. Look at it, guys. Look at that. It is just too much. The aloe vera is just working, okay? So make sure you try this shampoo because it's given, guys. It's just given. Thank you so much for watching this video today. I hope you have given this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, I know you have subscribed and click on the bell. Before you leave, click on the video you see on your screen right now and watch it.